spring order is here. All right, so load just showed up. Also my first time seeing things, so we have an 1116 Kubota orange. We got a 1320 John Deere green. This is my personal unit, the Battleship gray. It's a 1316 because we did the bigger motor on it. We did the oil cooler, which I haven't even seen yet. So this is my first shot at taking a peek at that. That's pretty cool. We have a reversible conveyor right there. Another 1116. And up in the very front, we have an SF11, which is kind of like an SF9, but again, I put an electric start motor on it, just being lazy. And then we have a traditional SF9, which is a towable unit, 2-inch ball, and just like your off-road, low-speed kind of tires. Not bad for moving around the woodlot or whatnot, but definitely not going to tow this one down the highway doing 70. Good looking sight there. Pretty cool. All right, well, it is raining outside, pretty crazy. So I'm going to close this one out from inside the pickup truck. Of the units that are here, 2 are sold. I've got pretty serious buyers on 3 of them, but no money has been deposited yet. So give us a phone call. Would love to earn your business with a sales quote. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. Would love to earn your business with that sales quote, answer any questions. Again, when you call the number, you do get me. So hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.